Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening, my beloved brothers and sisters of Amazonia. You're all hearing from Colonel Arthur John, the spokesman of the Amazonia Police. I come today for outline to talk about what will don't happen for we. Yesterday was a black day for all Amazonians. Yesterday was a sad day for all Amazonians. But Paul Biya, Monster Paul Biya, he's thinking what he did is going to stop us from reaching Buea. But for the base of Paul Biya knowledge, all his strategies, them too small because he no fit stop we for reach Buea. Paul Biya's strategies too small. He no fit stop we for reach Buea. So while you're listening from Colonel Arthur John today, please click the share button and you share so that other people can listen and they will get what is there. Because this talk today, it is thorough and it needs to implement the talk. While waiting, I could talk them today. We need to implement them. Okay, must start. Now the first topic this I will talk about today. Mancho BBC and others being sentenced by La République. On same day, La République plays strategies in order to counter we, to distract our attention from responding to La République sentence for our brother. La République sentence we brothers them. Sentence we all people them. 15 years, say me they pay 200 million. Try to distract our attention. Me foolish Amazonians them, they don't understand the plot way La République do them. This was a planned act. Where did they do them? Where did they do all these things them so? Before I want to talk serious to this matter, I beg any man where he listen for me, if you no be happy with what say Colonel Arthur John di talk, unfriend me, block me. You know must be my friend for begin to listen me. I need the work, I need the pam followers. No, I need the do them. People will be interested to follow us, no be na me. So if you did listen me, you no be happy with what they talk. I beg you stay off my page. Those that are going to listen me, they will get way to the talk and will strategies way to do them. That way I will give it to them. So wait till I be talk. Since as La République, it do this intentional act for sentence Mancho BBC and others. Same moment, they distract our attention by killing 74 Amazonians. Same moment, La République distract our attention by killing 74 Amazonians in Santa, Pini, Baba 1, Baba 2, Mbengui. When they kill them from Mbengui, they carry their corpse, them, they dead people, them, go throw them to Bali. For distract our attention, we don't understand them. But based on the facts we are determined than ever, we discover all this plot. My brother, my sisters, this today, while they talk with tears in my eyes, I'm shaking. Yesterday, I no fit sleep, but I don't gather courage to talk. I gather the courage to talk because we need to do something in response. That 74 people, them where they die yesterday, and those that have been those who in La République military don't kill them under the instructions of Monster Paul Biya. We need a swift response. We need a very swift and crucial response. We need a swift and crucial response without looking at any face. We need to look any man face. We need for response to La Republic. We need to give them a response. Me they know say Amazonians have reason and we are going to fall no more. No matter what Monster Paul Biya did to our brothers. Sentence them, kill brothers them, chase people them, burn houses. We must respond now. And the first response we Colonel Atta John could give them based on this sentence from Manchop BBC and killing yesterday and the killing that has been happening before yesterday will be this. And the first response I would give up. Because if we no respond for this incident where La Republic do and so, then we are not ready. This is the first response. We're going to respond to La Republic. We need to chase away all Francophones out of Amazonia. And we are calling on all Amazonians to leave La Republic with immediate effect. When we talk and so no listen, a word so why is sufficient. Because now we the lead now for the level way, we call the bomb na bomb. Na bomb what the user. Now bomb what the user will not use again gun them. We could use that gun them, homemade bombs. We could use them. Even inside La Republic, we don't use the peaceful method. La Republic need a bit we. Now we the step for the level where we could use homemade bombs for inside La Republic. We're going to use this. Nothing no they say, whoa, the beginning they make child play. All the level of child play has stopped. Me is stop. Me is stop. Me any man way they make child play for the revolution. Me is stop them. No more child play for this revolution. This revolution is at the speed, at the gear, where no child play no be accepted anymore. My brother, my sisters, them. My brother, my sisters, them. We did talk this thing so. Me any man way, those that have ears, let them hear. Those that don't have ears, let them don't hear. If you are Francophone inside Amazonia, please leave Amazonia with immediate effect for your safety. Leave Amazonia with immediate effect for your safety. If you are an Amazonia and you are in La Republic, we are calling on you to make a choice. You determine your stand. You either you choose La Republic and you remain there forever and ever, or you come back for land. Because now we have set this confusion, we don't know how to protect who we protect them. We don't know who IG gave to protect them. We don't know who so and so person gave to protect them. Because of this mighty confusion where it circulate within Amazonia. So we call on you, Francophones, leave and go back to your country. We call on Amazonians living in La Republic, return back to our land. A land of milk and honey. Return back to our land. We are calling on you all to respect this. Who Secretary of State, Chris Anu, he don't talk him. Me all people then they go back to their land. Me Francophones then they leave for land. Now, if you don't leave when the storm is meeting you, do not say, oh, I know. You were not informed. If you never Francophones on, you go for bar. Fire me to you for the burn you for the you talk saying your personal problem. If you there for is Anglophone zone and you be na Francophone, the only issue for the now your problem. We don't use the peaceful method. We don't preach. Leave our land. Go back to your land. Go back to your land. And we are calling on Monster Paul Biya to free Manchop BBC with immediate effect. We are calling on Monster Paul Biya to free Manchop BBC with immediate effect and others They are not criminals. None of the brother thief. None of the brother rape. None of the brother he killed. None of them they did this. Freedom of speech is part of human right. They're not thief. They don't do anything. Poor beer. Wake up. Talk say. Cash then go lock up. Now don't sentence them 15 years, 13 years, 12 years. Fine days and they pay 200 million. Because us Amazonians, we get to reduce that jail terms when La Republic is sentenced with people them using these strategies. Shifting the war from Amazonia inside La Republic. We never shift them. We never burn all property. We never kill. We never kill. We never kill. That is self-defense. Self-defense. If they kill us, we have to kill them. If somebody cap your ass, try to box your woman or your master, you stab the middle, you deflect the blow. If you kill, no me that sin. That is not part of killing. It's called self-defense. So, we therefore fight this fight inside La Republic. This fight is shifting inside La Republic. We therefore burn all traveling agencies. We therefore burn them. We therefore put that into anti-fire. We therefore broke Mongo Bridge. We therefore broke them. We therefore use all these strategies to reduce the jail terms being given to Mancho BBC and others. As fast as possible, we have to use all these strategies. Use your 5 fingers, your 10 fingers, 10 toes, your brain. Use these strategies. We never vagash La Republic. We never make sure say, which one they talk now, we not just do speech by speech. No more. This is not time for speech by speech. Enough is enough of speech by speech. When you talk, do action. You continue to talk. That is okay. Not just begin the talk without actions. We recall on all Amazonians, please return back to our land. If you are a Francophone and you are married to an Amazonian and you are living in La Republic or you are living in Amazonia, make your stand clear before Amazonians. You choose one of the country, you go there. You remain for La Republic or you come back to Amazonia. We no go chase you, we no go harm you, we no go attack you. That is clear. Because your marriage is being officially recognized by the international community. So, no barrier, no they say you married for any country. So if you married Francophone, you can stay in Amazonia. We know they chase you. But if you are a natural Francophone without being married and you no be ready for natural lives, like an Amazonia and start vagashing black legs, leave our land back to the Francophone zone. When we talk about, take this very, very serious. Very, very serious. Because when we talk so, we never start war for Bonabe Berry. We never start war for Mongo Bridge. For blockade all connections. We never make sure Bafut Airport go. Apology. I apologize before all Amazonians. Something happened. What I was saying was that all man they go back for your land, for your country. All man. Back to your land, back to your country. Amazonia is a land of milk and honey. We don't wake up black legs in Amazonia. That is the truth we have seen. If you are a Francophone, back to your land. Anglophone, back to your land. If you spare, if you delay, we kill you. Now your problem. If you delay, we kill you. Now your problem. We are going to kill. We are going to kill. We are not going to arrest this time and spare. We are going to kill. We are going to kill. Blood they will eye. Blood they will eye. We are going to kill. We are going to kill these times. This time around. Blood they will eye. No more arrest. Any arrest, put up 6 feet. They killed 74 Amazonians. Sentence Mancho BBC. Sentence Senator Peteres. Lock Bantase Wilfred, Pa Fongala, President Ayusko, what is pleasing Amazonians? The time is now. We need to kill these guys back. The revenge time is now. The time is up. Francophones, leave our land. That's not the first strategy that. I know I get talk today too long, but I'm going to say something very sensitive today. Next strategy. Together we are stronger. Together we are stronger. Unity is needed. Colonel Atta John and Amazonia Police, we are calling for an official suspension of all insults, provocations of all Amazonians, but insult and attack on blacklegs and traitors will never be suspended. We are calling on unity. Any blackleg traitor, we are going to attack him or she. That is it. We are calling on unity. Dr. Ebenezer, come into unity. Dr. Samuel Sako, come into unity. Dr. Santos, come into unity. All Amazonians, we need unity now. We need unity now. Unity is needed in order to make us stronger, in order to make us know who we are defending, in order to make us know who we are protecting. Unity is needed. Unity is the key of success. Together, we are stronger. But me no man no take the opportunity and advantage that we are calling on unity and dare to derail our revolution. For your information, somebody is writing there, Dr. Ayaba. No, for your information, call him Mr. Ayaba. Mr. Ayaba, unity is needed. Lately, Ayaba, me and you, we always get problem. Me I tell you now why. Why? Me and Ayaba always get problem. Ayaba the thief credit for waiting where we no want to me the thief credit for the. That is why we are always frank on Ayaba. But lately, Ayaba go Canada, Ayaba preach something serious. But Ayaba, we don't want speech by speech. Enough is enough of speech by speech. Ayaba, Mr. Ayaba, unity is needed. Mr. Ayaba, unity is needed. Unity is needed. Dr. Ebenezer, unity is needed. Mr. Bo Herbert, unity is needed. Milan Atem, we don't welcome you. You are not welcome. Milan Atem is not welcome. The scope is not welcome. Because Milan Atem is the main barrier to unity. Since the start of this revolution, Milan Atem has been interested in power mongering. So we are calling on unity for all Amazonians. Franklin, Vela Franklin, stop preaching disunity. Ivor, Taku, stop preaching disunity. We need unity. Mark Barita, stop preaching disunity. We need unity. Capo Daniel, stop preaching disunity. We need unity. Colonel Atta John, stop preaching disunity. We need unity. Carolina Mala, Akak General Kadisi say, stop preaching disunity. We need unity. The time is now. We need unity. We need to be more stronger than before. If you are listening to from Colonel Atta John, click the share button and you share. You click the share button and you share. We need unity than ever. We need unity. We need to fight this devil monster Pobia, Akarajipo, Ekemapachi, Chiruma Bakari. We need to fight all them. But I exclude Milan Atem from this unity because of this reason, I exclude Milan Atem from any channel of unity based on the fact Milan Atem saw our leaders to La Republic. There is no possibility we can forgive Milan Atem and trust him. There is no possibility we can trust Milan Atem. There is no way we can trust Milan Atem, even at age, because anything we do with Milan Atem is selling the information to Chiroma Bagari, because Chiroma Bagari gave him dollars. Chiroma Bagari gave Milan Atem dollars. So Milan Atem is barrier to unity. We cannot unite with Milan Atem. We cannot unite with Milan Atem. Milan Atem saw President Ayuk Sisiko. He saw Patterson Wilfred. Milan Atem saw Pa Fongala and others. Barrister Eyembe, just to name a few of them. Milan Atem was the gang leader who collected the bribe from La Republic in order to sell our leaders. So we cannot unite with Milan Atem. When I contact some people them for AGC, or they go give complaint say Milan Atem is barrier to unity. Example, I've contact our sister Aleji Grace, who is resident of Washington DC in United States of America. He give complaint say Milan Atem na barrier to unity is not IG. So Milan Atem na barrier to unity. You contact Dr. Ebenezer. Dr. Ebenezer talk say Milan Atem na barrier to unity. The person who call him or herself Jasper. I warn you. If you chop Mami Coco, you need this crash you. Continue the insult. Continue the insult. If you chop Mami Coco, you need this crash you. Continue the cosh. I don't tell you where you know be happy with Colonel Atajon. Leave the page. So if Dr. Ebenezer complains say Milan Atem na barrier to unity. Yes, we have seen. Colonel Atajon be complain say Milan Atem na traitor. Una no believe. Una don't see. After the arrest of our leaders, Milan Atem don't go form a fake group called Scope. Scopers. And the scopers them. That's also the same scopers the way they be thief money for paper. The same scopers, they store money in paper. They store our hard-earned income in paper. So there is no way we can unite in any way to the other with Milan Atem in doing anything. If any day Milan Atem or President Samuel Sako endorse Scoper in the IG, that is the end of IG. That will be the end of IG. Because Milan Atem saw our leaders to La Republic. So we cannot unite with the devil. We cannot. We can forgive Milan Atem, but we cannot unite with Milan Atem. Milan Atem is a devil. He is Lucifer. He is Lucifer. We cannot unite with Scopers. So now the thing that they talk, we not unite with Milan Atem for any way to the other. Next person, we can unite with AGC on condition their leader, Ayabacho, keep your proudness of being power-mongering outside. We will unite with you, but we're going to eat with you with a long spoon. That is clear. We'll tell you clean and clear. Because I get a lot of bad records with AGC. A lot of bad records. But we are willing to unite with them for the sake of this jail sentence. When La Republic sentence with people 15 years in jail, sentence them, give fine macho BBC 20 million, 200 million. Me pay. What the hell is this? What the hell? So we are willing to unite with Ayaba. But we're going to eat with a long spoon with Ayaba. We make and clearly me Ayaba no. Ayaba no preach of collaboration since we go Canada. I have talk something sensible. We person if you understand them. But we go chop you with long spoon. We are ready. I have no wait say me that somebody come unite with you for inside your agency. Because agency then how many people them. I have any collaboration. You know where you have to do it. You know where you have to do it. You know where you have to do it. So if Ayaba had really deep the revolution, true mind, true soul, and true heart for this revolution, let Ayaba do the unity the right way. And this unity should be. This unity, we need this unity now. But Milan Atem must never be part of this unity. We cannot unite with Milan Atem. If Milan Atem is part of unity in any way, I will support. We are going to shift our attention out of the IG. So IG, distinguish yourself from Milan Atem. Amazonians, we are together. But Milan Atem is not part of us. Any person that is part of Scopa is not part of us. It's not part of us. We must never unite with Milan Atem in this revolution. We can unite with Dr. Ebenezer. We can unite with Ayaba, but eating with a long spoon. We can unite with Bo Herbert, eating with teaspoon. We know who we can unite with. We know those. We are calling on all Amazonians. Let us unite ourselves. Let us unite ourselves. We need money. We need money. Let us unite ourselves, and we are calling on the IG. The IG is for Amazonia. If you are for Amazonia IG, please show to the Amazonians transparency. We need to see the accountability of my trip to Boya, so that we know how much we'll get them. We know how much we'll the fight. We know how much we'll do them. We need for Siam. We need for Siam. We need unity. Now unity is needed than ever. Unity is needed, and it talks with tears they come down my eyes after 74 deaths yesterday. Tears, water they come on my eye now. So why they talk so now? This how they play now. Well, oh my God. Well, see, my brother, my sister say, let us keep our difference aside and unite ourselves. And what we talk to, we call on Ayaba Cho Lucas. Call on your gang. Yamafoka, Shipbroker Pandips, Roland in UK. Let them stop making any provocative posts online. Let them stop this. Let them stop this, because these are the causes of disunity in our revolution. These are the causes of disunity in our revolution. Ayaba, we are calling on you to comport yourself. You have the courage. You have the courage, just like Dr. Ebenezer is having the courage. But please, keep the idea of assuming that you want to be the president. You want to be our president. Keep that idea aside. Keep it aside. The time for unity is now. We need this unity than ever. We need it right now. We need the unity now than ever. And I call on all members then, for all groups, no exceptions, unblock all Amazonians. Unblock all Amazonians you have ever blocked online on Facebook. These are one of the signs of unity that we need now. We need it now. I unblock all person. Mark Barita, unblock all person. I could personally write you message. This is a sign of unity. Ivor, unblock all person. Vela Franklin, unblock all person. Capo Daniel, unblock all Amazonians, don't block them. LCBC, unblock all people them. Unblock them. May they do all this now, because we need this unity now than ever. We need all the unblocking of all Amazonians. Our main attack. But we are not going to stop attacking these people. The Scopers. All the Scopers, they are enemies. All people who Scopers, now enemies. Now themselves leaders them. They are the head leader for the Scope. Now Milan Atem. Milan Atem no be sell leaders them. Me Derek for SCBC. Go join Milan Atem who support Derek. No way, no day. No way, no day who go do them. Scopers now enemies. Scopers now La Republic agents. We have to attack all these scopers. We have to attack them. We have to attack them. Gillian Eshu, Derek, Raymond, all them. We have to attack them because Nazi people them. Professor Charlson, we have to attack him. He sold himself with the scopers. He sold himself, and we are calling for his immediate firing of Professor Charlson. We don't need him. We don't need him anymore. We don't need Derek on SCBC. We have John Bahaduru, a professional journalist who can handle everything happening on SCBC. We Secretary of Communication, professional journalist who can handle everything. Chris Anu, all these people, they're professionals, the way they can handle everything. We don't need all them. We don't need Derek. We don't need Raymond. We don't need Gillian Eshu. We don't need Dr. Benedict for Germany, where Mia is all for Germany. Because we don't need it. We don't need all these bad belly people of the revolution. My brother, my sister, them, I did talk to her. Why did talk to her? What are they come on my high? Why did talk so much? I don't feel really understand. I don't feel understand what you the past. I don't feel understand. Why would I just see information online saying that 40 people in the Chilambo Santa Alpini? But no be true. They take one day, they kill that 74 people. Them. Now 74 people they will combine. Baba 2 killing, Baba 1 killing, Santa killing, Pini killing, Mbengri killing. Now 74. Now 74 when they kill them. So many will forget, we'll keep our difference aside. We keep our difference aside right now. We keep our difference aside with our talkers. So me no person for Ayaba, no e-group come insult people them anymore online. We'll keep insult aside. Let's keep everything aside. Let's keep everything aside, far aside. Together we are stronger. Together we are stronger. United we are stronger. Divided we are weaker. La Republic will keep killing us. Together we are stronger. United we are weak. We're going to finish La Republic as fast as possible. Where, Mama, where, my God? Where I talk this is so I don't really know how some people they get the feelings. They have the feelings, but they because of power mongering, they went and saw our leaders to La Republic, and now they're killing 74 per day. If we don't stop this 74 per day, now La Republic will increase the quantity of death of Amazonians. So we need this unity than ever, my brother, my sisters. It's not an optional matter. It's a compulsory issue. It's a compulsory issue. Unity is needed. I myself, I go promote this. I'm going to contact most of these guys. Capo Daniel, all them. May they stop going live, doing live video and bringing divisive posts online. May they stop doing all this. I will contact all the no matter me and they insult each other. Magbanta, all Eric, brother Eric, for US. We call on Eric Tower. Me no do any attack on any person. We do the unity the right way. Let's do the unity the right way. But no do unity me individuals. We can start say they want go do GoFundMe. They want go do GoFundMe for thief money because that's the way they go start this unity. Now the way IG go start something small time where Roland go start talk say fun only the changshu because this unity. Why they talk so? Why they talk so? Me myself, I don't coach individuals name. I don't coach Mami Jera. I don't coach Momsi Vivian Batney. I don't coach plenty people of the revolution. But I will take this opportunity like one of those who have been cursing, who have been insulting each other. The dirt that has risen that happened yesterday. Let us push for unity. I'll take this opportunity without being ashamed before Amazonians. I'll officially apologize to Momsi Vivian Batnui. I'll officially apologize to all of those we have insulted. But this does not give the rooms that apologizing should leave them to promote this unity. Because if they promote this unity, the apology will be cancelled and it will lead to a war of words. So we'll call on all people that will forget everything. While they preach on this unity matter, so while they preach and so I beg, my brother, my sister. We there for abroad, us abroad. We are more than 1 million. We are more than 2 million Amazonians who are abroad. Me all we donate only $1. We donate only $1. No be na $2. If you take a ground zero, contact Bushfallers, and me they donate for you. $1. If we raise $1, we will give abroad 2 million. We're going to have 2 million or 5 million if we need it. When we get the money, we know so the pay some country for Lobliam. We know so the Olish La Republic non-stop. Now we see how they talk. What they talk, so I come talk today. So what are they come over? I don't want to hear anything saying Changshu again. I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to hear anything saying Changshu say fund Dr. Ebenezer individual funny. If majority don't stand say nah, my trip to Boya. Me all we do my trip to Boya, but one transparency. You want me all man to see money way there for my trip to Boya. I even prefer more than do me they cancel my trip to Boya and do a GoFundMe to Boya. And suggest the one so that we see the money for website where people they donate them. We need for the see the money for website GoFundMe to Boya. But me na the IG, me they do am. More they see the money where they enter for the IG. I don't want any hide and see matter. I don't want any hide and see. I know they take sight. I know they take sight for any way to the other. I want something real in this revolution. My heart bleeds. One does so cry. Oh my God. When man piggy cry. Oh my God. The one no be possible. We know if we leave the thing me continue so. We know if we leave them. We know fit leave this me continue. Unity is needed. Unity is needed. Dr. Como says, please, we are pleading on you to sum up a meeting with Dr. Ebenezer as fast as possible with other doctors in US there and abroad. Even it can do Skype group calls. Sum up a meeting together as fast as possible. But Dr. Samuel Sako, do not include Milan Atem and the Scopers. Do not include Professor Charlson and the Scopers in that meeting. Do not do this. If any of those people in South Africa, then they function for the meeting. As well if you say that the sign of disunity that no man will go trust you. No man will go trust anything. Because Taka Mayton must not be part of that meeting. Must not be part of that meeting. Taka Mayton must never be part of that meeting. We don't trust Taka Mayton. Because he is Milan's puppet. He is Milan is his puppet. We don't trust him. We don't trust Taka Mayton. Unity is needed. All our prisoners, brothers been held in La Republic forcefully. If we not talk with them on WhatsApp, Facebook, they go tell you say divided, we are hurting them. Macho BBC will speak to you and cry. Saying that open terrorists will speak to you and cry. Divided, we are causing separation. Now, my brother, my sisters, we keep our difference aside. We keep our difference aside. Let us keep the difference aside. Colonel Atta John will bury difference. I know why Pascal Kiki can bring attack. I know why Roland can bring attack. I know why Vivian Batnui can bring attack. I know why Abu Free, I will personally talk for Abu Free. Any person where he don't talk here Abu Free, me tell Abu Free on Messenger or WhatsApp say, Colonel Atta John want talk for you. Colonel Atta John want talk for you. All they want to attack them. We need unity now than ever. Abu Free need for the proscribed tablets for injured doctors them, for injured troops them for ground. Abu Free need to do this as fast as possible. I need to talk to Abu Free. That is the truth. I don't hide anything. No matter we attack others. Now, after the 74 death, bury your difference. Bury your difference aside. Bury your difference aside. And why a divisive post? And why see any divisive post again online? And why see him? And why catch him? And why don't catch him? Our attack should be on Milan, Atem, and Skopas. Gillian Eshu, yes, we can attack Gillian Eshu because Gillian Eshu knew of the cell of our leaders. Since when Milan Atem go UK, go meet Ifere, yeah, the plan. The plan, we get evidence that way Gillian Eshu did it. We attack all the Skopas because they are power mongers. They are power mongers. And we call on Dr. Samuel Sako to, with immediate effect, listen to the voice of Amazonians. Screen out, let us take SCBC out of South Africa. We need SCBC out of South Africa as fast as possible. As fast as possible. We need SCBC out of South Africa as fast as possible. Derrick cannot be appearing on SCBC. Derrick cannot be appearing on SCBC. On SCBC, same moment, part of Scopa. Raymond cannot be appearing on SCBC. Same moment, part of Scopa. Professor Charlson cannot be appearing on SCBC. Same moment, part of Scopa. Jay-Z cannot be appearing on SCBC. Part of Scopa. Terry Apopo cannot be the one who was managing the profile of President Ayuk Sisiko, who partake in the cells of President Ayuk Sisiko. You know, if he be the person, be part of Scopa, move the chop on same plate with them. No, we must distance ourselves from Milan Atem and all this gang. Please, all attack. All attack. All attack on Milan Atem. Milan Atem is our problem. Bury your difference aside. Bury your difference aside. Bury all difference aside. I will take this opportunity. I'm free. I'm not at work. I will contact all leaders, even those that have been blocked Colonel Atajon. I will use all strategies to reach them through others. I must reach them. We must stop all divisive posts. We must talk together. We must unite to fight La Republic. Dr. Ebenezer must be part of ASC. ASC, he must be part of it. Ayaba, you can be part of ASC, but please, don't claim to be commander in charge or anything or power mugging. We don't need that. We don't need that. You're going to have a post when Boya. When we reach in Boya, Ayaba, you're going to have a post. Nobody is dragging about that. Nobody is going to stop you from having a post, Ayaba. Ayaba, you be my brother. But the fact that you be the thief credit, it made me attack you. I don't want them. I don't want this thing, Ayaba. Not being the thief credit for people that fight them. Leave them. Now we don't need credit. We don't need anything. When you fight, no even take credit. Now when you fight, you claim Amazonians are fighting La Republic because they kill our people. They sentence Mancho BBC. They sentence all others. See, my brother, my sister, any journalist will come on live, come talk about divisive posts. Nana matter this way go dey up. Pascal Titi, me no try. Me Pascal Titi no try to talk about divisive posts. Any person no talk. Eric Tower no talk anything for attack. For attack AGC or any group. We don't need them now. After the death of our people, we don't need any attack. No more attack or insult. Only attack and insult goes to Scopas. Scopas are the only one who we can attack non-stop. Milan Atem and Scopas and all those who were in the IG who are partaking in the Scopas. You can attack them to the last blood of your drop, but do not attack SCYL. Do not attack AGC. Stop them. Stop it. All this attack should stop. And what we want is sufficient. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We are attacking Milan and Scopas because they saw our leaders and they created channel of disunity. That is the reason we cannot eat with them in same plate. My brother, my sisters, forget about Milan Atem. He is not part of us. He is La Republic agent. Milan Atem is La Republic agent. We have spoken about this. The next thing, I already talk of this. My brother, my sister, them, they talk today no over long. I want more all we will use all instruments them for promote unity. Unity is all we need. No more attacks. No more attack. Solve your problem. All those who block you or do anything. No need of Mukala job up. No singing today. No singing. I'm not happy. I'm not happy with 74 deaths. What is pleasing me to be happy? What is pleasing me? Since morning time, since last night, I chopped yesterday now one time. Come reach now. The time in Germany right now is 2:11. 11 after 2. I never chop because I need to feel fine. For me, 74 people then they die. Wait till they place me for the chop. So, any man way he talk, no one promote unity. Come talk say fun, this fun, that is barrier to unity. That person will go rate a literator. Me Roland take note. Me who brother journalist. Tawa Eric take note. We know Pascal Kiki take note. And then the take site. We don't need any divisive posts anymore. That is when I say I chop one time, it is just sharing my concern about what happened. The death of our people is painful for me. Nothing is pleasing me to eat. Nothing. No, besides lack chop. I no lack chop because chop day, I get enough, more than enough. But when I talk so it's just because it pains me to lose 74 people. We are calling on all these leaders to bring the channel of unity. Post nothing to promote this unity. All we need now is unity. If you try to promote this unity by saying weak IG, weak AGC, weak SUIL, then you are a devil in this revolution. Now is the time for unity. I myself, I will take this opportunity as my own duty as the spokesman of the Amazonia police to promote the channel of unity. Nothing is pleasing me. Unity is all is needed. Unity is needed. And Francophones out of Amazonia. Amazonia back in our land. Then we fight La Republic. We finish them. That is it. No looking back. And we are not interested with any leader who is bent on federation. Federation with La Republic is a taboo. It's a taboo. What we want is Amazonia. A land of milk and honey. A land of milk and honey. So now the thing now I don't talk am. So any man way you want talk anything, post anything, divisive post or creating or any person. I don't want me IG talk say na Dr. Ebenezer the first to create unity. No. I don't want me Dr. Ebenezer talk say na IG the first to create unity. No. I don't want me Ayaba talk say na IG want to create unity. No. I don't want me AGC talk say na this person the first to create unity. No. Amazonians need unity now. Unity is the key of success. Together we are stronger. Any person will post trash again online. Trash. Any small trash of disunity. That person is enemy for the revolution. Now enemy for the revolution. So at Beguna and Beckham, we all we create the channel of unity and we raise $1 $1. Us abroad, we are more than 2 million Amazonians abroad. More than us. 2 million Amazonia they will be abroad. If we raise $1 we will get enough money for do it to one do time. Good Samaritans then they will raise more. So now they matter that way every day. Oh my God, La Republic. So my brother, my sister, me a drop. No over make things long. Unity is all we need. La Republic. We need to fight La Republic. Dr. Ebenezer, all others. Bo Herbert, all of them. Abu Free Momsi, any person, no exception. We need all of them. We need all on the table for unity. We need all of them. We need all of them for unity. Unity is needed. Since as IG don't already get Since as IG is our intermediate government, me all you stand with the IG, me they unite, me all people unite, more unite, but I no want say me somebody, when you go reach boya, we go do election, people they like politics, they play politics that time, for fight post system, but for now, we want unity, now all that we want them. So I beg una beg them, I beg na beg, unity is all we need, unity is all we need, but we are not going to unite with Milan Atem, Professor Charleston, the Scopers, Jay-Z, Derrick, Raymond, all people are the call on all Amazonians. If Derrick and Raymond, they appear on SCBC, boycott it, leave the show, me then remain today to talk them. Me they talk for themselves alone. We don't need any person who don't partake for Scoper. Me appear for national station. Any person, if Derrick and Raymond, they appear for the ignore them, isolate them, stay off of it. We don't need them. 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 Any person who gets strategy or the fight La Republic go get for fight inside La Republic zone. Please feel free to contact Colonel Atta John. You are welcome. You can write me inbox. I'll always respond. You are the respond any person who write me inbox. Unity is all I need. Unity is all. Unity is my food. Unity is my everything. It's my everything. Unity na my woman, na my kingdom. Unity is all we need now. Unity is all we need. Let us learn to say, even the Lord's Prayer says, forgive those who trespass against us. So we need to forgive those who trespass against us. Let us learn to forgive and forget and create unity. And let's fight La Republic. That is what I need. My brother, my sister, I beg una na Beckham. I love you all so much. If you have any suggestion, reach me by inbox. Let us join hands one and fight La Republic. I love you all. Stay blessed.